NIA has unearthed the protest calendar which was signed off by Gilani. Now, this calendar once again exposes the designs of these separatist elements, and we are putting out that exclusive information on your screens right now. As the NIA continues with its action against the Hurriyat leaders, there is also a protest calendar which the NIA has unearthed. Mir Farid is live with me from Srinagar for more on this. Farid, just put this in context. What does this expose? What is the information that the NIA has gathered from this protest calendar?
Well, so many things that the NIA is investigating right now. It's a gold mine of information, as we have been reporting ever since the day the NIA cracked down on the separatists and their close aides, the day when there were raids in the Srinagar city, multiple locations, many people, their houses were searched, and so much of incriminating evidence and documents were recovered. Pen drives, you had CDs, you had documents of various properties, and in this also what they have recovered is the way this protest calendar was shaped and how various things were brought into it through Pakistan, and how the separatists managed to ensure that throughout the last year, in 2016, we know that there were protests and a complete summer season was lost due to continuous shutdown, curfews. More than 100 people were killed. In fact, more than 1,000. In fact, thousands were injured. There were pellet injuries. A lot of chaos and commotion. Now the NIA is trying to really put together the missing links, and it's quite evident that the protest calendar that the separatists were bringing out had inputs from all over. It had inputs from Pakistan as well, and clearly there was a design to ensure that the protests continue and Valley continues to simmer. So that is another aspect that NIA has brought out. Not the last of them. In the coming days, you'll see a lot more of such startling revelations that NIA will make.